This Popit fidget toy game is a self-contained two-player game where players try to be the one to force their opponent to press the last bubble into its hole. Players take turns pressing down any number of bubbles they wish in a single row. The player who presses down the last bubble loses the round. Whoever wins 3 of 5 rounds wins the game. It's a quick, easy game and can be played anywhere and wherever you go. All you need is this Popit fidget toy and someone to play with.